My people, welcome to another episode of our Naija podcast. To my right, make I start and introduce all of us one by one. We get the most beautiful, the most eloquent Miss Zira.
Hello.
How are you doing
No
today?
forget that AKA na signature. You never introduce her own, no fit call AKA Zaza Zira.
Come again.
For signature.
Come again.
AKA Zaza Zira.
Come on, let me spot you everything for you today.
Now big check with that one. Only
Abi.
big check that one they cancel.
So moving forward, to my left, we have the most beautiful and the most hottest
Osas, aka Big Baby in the building.
and
The biggest in town.
the
biggest,
biggest,
the youngest sugar mommy.
Introduce yourself, please.
That is it. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself. Leave me alone.
Okay, you know me. I'm your favorite influencer, King Charlton.
My God.
Yeah.
It's so nice to have all of you here today. But the matter they been a very strong basketball topic now we want to discuss.
I wait.
We're not ready to hear.
Yeah.
Haba, Oyana, let's go. We want to discuss hookup, modern day ashawo.
Wow.
You go where?
Wow, scared.
You go where?
Wow, scared.
Go where, Abi?
I dey wait.
So, because we don't say na
I don't get angry.
Oh, thank God, Oyana.
I don't get angry. I don't reason who go there after that my angle right now because
Oh, I just say you want to start talk now, boy. That
no. I don't go
I
about.
for like
I
make.
I be gentleman.
Like make na the babes.
Yes, now I get sucked
Start
now.
talk for this matter.
Because now them relate
But
to
I want to wait first. No, don't talk yet. Start it. Our biggest baby in the building.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
What do you think about this matter? As far as hookup, what do you think with the fact that people get to hide how they do their own wrongs rather than standing on the roadside?
Oh boy,
do certain
hook up,
things. I
oh.
think-
You no care where you do.
Oh,
am.
Okay, now you are the ass. Why
My own is, people will like hookup is different from the ones that are shower. Hookup is different from a shower. At the end of the day, a shower and hookup is still the same thing. At the end of the day, one is higher than one.
Yeah.
One has
Now
class,
that's
one
like
doesn't have class. One has shame, one doesn't have shame. Because if you have shame,
I beg to differ.
if you no problem. Let me just state my own opinion. Because if you don't have the one that don't have shame will stand on the road, and the one I think they make more money than the one. I don't know. I think I did a vox pop with some of them. I think some of them in a day they make like 200, 300.
Who you dey
That's
talk
the
about?
roadside.
You want to
Who
stand
talk
on
about?
the
Who
road.
stand for it? They make 200.
Yes, some
200.
they can tell you they
From how
have
many?
slept. They do short time and they slept with like 3-4 men and they make that.
In a
I've done
night.
vox pop, yes,
In a
with
day.
some
That's
of them
like
in a day.
That's 50K per night.
Yes,
Oh,
they've
per
done short time. Yes, they have
price
hot
don't high,
ones. They have hot ones. They have cars.
They don't
They stand
high,
on the road. They have cars. I can take you there. I did a
don't
vox
think
pop.
very
No,
much.
I'm a mass communicator, so I do vox pop. I
Okay.
did that.
Okay,
So I got
so-
to know things like that. One is hook up, prostitution, whatever they're gonna say. It's me. I say the same thing. And men complain about all the old girls being prostitutes, blah blah blah, doing hook up. But the men are the one paying for the sex.
Me, I shall no
So
complain.
you don't have,
Why they try
you
their
don't have,
focus?
you don't
I
have
no
any.
complain. Oh.
You
So
don't.
I know remember myself complain for una.
No.
It's a
Try
hustle.
to-
See, do you know why I'm saying this? It's a hustle. Yeah. In some countries in this world,
And it's legal.
hookup is one of the most
It's not called hookup.
lucrative
look.
business.
Don't get me. That's even holding the economy of the country. So I'm sorry.
Talking about.
I don't have anything against hookup. I only have a problem when you are doing hookup and you are trying to be serious with someone that really wants to be serious.
Okay, so
That's why I
So
have
you're trying to
So
say that
now-
hookup girls cannot find love.
That's another thing.
What are you saying?
Hookup girls cannot find love.
And then they marry every. And then
You
they marry every
cannot find
Saturday.
love.
Oh, guys.
I am talking to you. If you are a hookup girl in this
Yeah,
life,
joke is a lie.
and you want love until you stop hookup hookup.
It's a lie.
Love is
Did
not
they marry every
Oga,
every
I don't
Saturday?
Calm down.
It's not possible.
Calm down.
They marry every Saturday. I beg. Just shut up, I beg.
we
They
need to
talk.
talk about
If you say
finding
hookup
love.
girls-
Zina, please
Wait,
state your opinion,
wait,
please.
wait.
Now, hookup
I
girls
don't
are
feel
the
they argue now as they shout left, right,
Please
center.
talk.
I bet
Sorry.
tell am.
Anyway, point is, eventually, people will have to make bread however they seem or deem fit.
Okay.
You know? And then, when you talk about hookup, prostitution, escorts, not all are the same language, but it's
My
just
brother.
the variation or the method or the level of class accosted to it.
Yes.
Is that right, Seth? Anyway, point is the level. English, no, they fail me today. Anyway, but you shall get my point.
Okay, now instead of may I try add to your point now. Instead of for some girls to go to stand for road, say maybe they find person who pick them
Internet
up.
don't make them
Eh?
easier now.
Now they go Tinder. They
Exactly,
go
there are
which
apps
other
that
social-
aided.
Where you go
Even
go now,
Instagram
just
now.
upload
They
your
do that on
profile.
Instagram too.
You get?
For a sharp guy,
Hook up.
coded runs.
Okay.
Coded
nice. I like that. My brother. No be like, no be
If
like.
you know, you know.
No be like, you say you know, you know. Oh,
I know,
God,
I would want you
bro.
to explain that
Don't
coded
break
runs.
our
Are you
code.
serious?
Yeah,
Don't
I
break
don't
our
know
code,
what it
bro.
means.
Oh,
Don't break our
critical.
code. Don't
Things
break
are
our code,
crazy, bro. Like
No,
you
bro.
get to see not just girls, you get to see guys.
Yeah.
But they are doing it
Of
in a
course.
very corporate way.
Yeah.
Like you it's not like what you order. You must get what you order.
Yeah.
You get me? Because they are putting it out there. This is
That's
what
why
I
it's
do.
called hookup.
You understand? That's what it is. This is what I do, and this is who I am. So you see me, you like what you see, then call me. My number is there. You understand?
No, don't you reason one or two things that happens like on a normal day, on like in a social environment you get to find yourself. Imagine say you go club, you see babe for club, she dey dance, and wetin attract you to her na either her breast, her nyash,
Yeah, she most important.
or how she take dey shake that bum bum.
So face no they work again.
No,
My sister.
probably face too, but
My sister.
I no even reason that one, but Moko dey
I wonder.
Moko dey reason the most attribute, like the most physical attribute wey people
For a
dey
guy.
look at.
Nah,
For
guy.
a guy.
For a guy, we talk
For
so.
a guy.
For girls,
So now-
their face didn't count to no
No
guard,
face
oh.
follow now.
Eh.
Wetin come
Their
even
fa-
sweet
they no dey
and
play
pass
their
na
face card,
those
oh.
those physical attributes wey they can't get. Na im be the plus inside the whole thing.
Beauty is physical
No,
attribute too now.
Beauty too follow now.
Beauty is a general thing.
No, you know
No,
general.
it's not general.
that's
Now everybody
general.
fine.
It's not.
My
Now everybody
brother,
fine.
not
What is
everybody
beauty?
fine now.
Now everybody fine.
Why not tell me this kind of thing now?
Now everybody fine.
My brother.
This is a general
Everybody
thing.
fine.
And that is why
Okay,
we
moving
have
forward
wife
down.
yourself.
Okay, moving forward down.
beauty
Make- okay.
enhancement
Eh,
products.
Hey.
You know, that's why women conceal.
Yes, now.
Una dey
blemishes
whine me,
with
oh.
makeup.
Okay, so thank God say people like us no know that one.
Well,
But okay, as the matter dey be now, you see girl wey you like for club with regards to any
Yeah,
attribute wey
your
see.
spec, yeah.
Yeah, no, okay, spec. Now you come go meet her, come dey ask her say how far, how much for the night.
now you go even ask how much.
Oh, now you dey even
Because
ask
you
how
don't
much.
already know, say,
you know,
we
say I hook
go
up
follow
already
be
now.
that. But then that means you're the one helping
Yes,
this business.
of course.
You will not blame us. We are good. We love to patronize good business and help people's business grow.
Why wouldn't you just
men
meet a random
for
girl
helping-
on the
for
road
helping-
and
Yes.
you
I
ask
have
her
a
how
friend.
much?
Listen, I have a friend.
So that means you're tagging
Listen,
every woman.
Hold on now. Listen,
As,
Either
as
decent-
yeah,
can I
yes.
tell you one story? I have a friend. He does both. He said he met a girl one night. She does hook up on the street. You understand? She came to him that she was going somewhere. I think he told me this story sometime last week. That she told him she wanted to go somewhere. You get me? But that she was begging him to assist her. You understand? Go where she did go. But he told her that he was working. He can't help her, but he can assist her with the least 1K to do her transportation elsewhere. You don't get me? Certain few days after, he was honey in there around. You understand? In Bella.
So you mean to tell me that she was doing hookup and could not afford 1K to
My
take
sister.
herself from one destination to the other?
See, things
So
are
that means
critical
they are
in this country.
hungry
Yes, for them to
They
stand
are
on
hungry.
the street. Standing,
Ashawos.
the ones you see on the street.
Shanas.
The ones you see on the
What
street.
other
Yeah,
thing?
Shanas.
The ones you see on the street, they've got it to an extent that they can't wait for nobody to chat them up or to see them in certain locations
Yeah.
that they are putting themselves out there.
Yeah.
Listen to me. This ones here on the street, they are the saints. I see them as the saints. I fear those ones I don't
That
see on the
hide,
street.
yes, that
See,
hide. They do the
those
worst.
are my problem.
Yeah.
Because I have been a victim. Several of my friends have been victims to
Victims to what?
certain circumstances. How person will see
explain.
babe where you like your full spec, you follow babe up finish, you don't feel say okay.
Don't see babe.
Now yeah, you go match break. Now yeah, everything end.
She got it's
2
about
weeks
money,
later,
man.
you come
Transaction.
here say your own babe. Now hook up girl.
Eh.
But
How
she
you
gree
go
for
feel?
you. She no bill you.
She know
She
go
gree
to
date
say she
you.
no gree.
the billing go come, like it or not. No one yourself. As long as you meet
No,
to
but
girl,
I thought
that
hookup was
billing
supposed to be
must come.
upfront.
No, sometimes they don't wise oh, no cap. Their billing they come in different ways now. They don't wise. Some now they don't go rush be you because they don't observe say if they rush men be them. Some guys
They go run.
they run. So they don't go rush be you. They go calm down, win you to themselves. They go won't show you love. I don't go lie you. They go do you things. They go make you realize come on, this guy dey for me. Oh. Mistake as a guy man.
It's a mistake. Oh God.
Lose guard.
Oh God.
But-
See, mumu yourself. Allow them pressure mumu what may say.
But no matter what you talk about prostitutes and hookup girls, funny part, they're the ones that even find love more than the good girls nowadays. That's just it.
That's the funny thing.
That's the funny thing about
I mean,
it. They are the ones that find
Those of
love.
them who have explored
Yeah,
You know
they're
why?
that find
You know
love
why?
more
You know why
than.
it's easy for
are
them
the
to
ones
see- you know why
grounding
it's-
men.
You know
Yeah.
why it's easy for them to see love, It's easy for men to fall in love with them. Because these days it's hard to see good girls. Good
It's a
girls
lie.
are scarce.
You lie. Good girls are there. You guys just
You are a
They
good
like
girl.
bad. They like
Hey,
bad bitches.
hey,
They
hey,
like bad.
Hey,
No.
you're a good girl.
No, wait
You're a
first,
good girl.
wait first.
Wait, hold on. Theodore, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Aside the both of you, call any other good girl you know.
My
I
sister,
have
my
a number of
cousin, my
friends and
friend,
sisters and
How you
siblings.
want-
my
Hey,
friend.
no.
Oh,
They
boy.
worry.
Ose,
But
Oh,
they
my
bobo
own
me.
guy.
Ose,
Who's the
Ose
I
is
know a number
Ose
of
is a
good
good
girls
girl.
too.
Who's Ose?
My
Ose the
Ose.
body?
No, sister Gloria.
This guy, yeah.
So that I'm calling them. I'm calling the
Guys,
names.
no,
What are you
no,
saying?
Nah. Nah.
At the end of the day,
You know.
no matter you guys say, prostitution will not work if you guys don't patronize them. You don't pay. You don't pay for sex.
I don't like
If you don't pay for sex,
This
they
don't-
will not come out.
This is
True.
what I will not
They
take.
won't come out.
This is what I will not take
See,
today. How can
you
you
don't
tell
get the
a
whole
grown
thing.
ass man not to patronize a good
No,
business?
nobody's.
Do you know? Do you
What is
mad.
making it
Do
good?
you know? Do you
You know
know
to
that
make it
they are
That is
live-
what you gain if you had a stable, committed relationship.
Yeah.
Whatever you think the
See, Zira,
They-
Talk
it's
like
hard.
this now.
It's
Why you
hard.
talk like
It's
this?
hard.
Like
See,
waiting.
Zira,
See,
it's
I
hard.
want
It's
talk
hard
one
for the
thing.
common man. It's hard for the common man to find love. Do you know?
How?
Hey,
You
you
know
know
what
why?
it mean?
Do you know why?
For
Okay.
Okay.
Most time, in fact, now the percentage of relationship being for relationship as it is too low than how relationships are being materialized and monetized.
reason why is because you guys tend to fall for the glittery things.
Yes.
I would rather,
I would rather-
So that you
I
spend
would
rather,
more
Follow
money
follow
and
big
get
nash and big
Zira,
all
breasts.
other
Zira,
women as
Zira.
materialistic.
I would rather,
They follow
I would
big
rather
nash.
pay,
That's not
I would rather
true.
pay
No,
30K,
no.
20K for one night. I have peace of mind. That for me to date one girl, and deal with that girl and not have peace.
See,
What makes you
hey,
think
you
that
carry
you would
you mommy
wait?
water go out or
My
prick
guy,
no go
I-
dey
I-
stand.
Why you go
No be
even
you be the
date
first
man?
person
now.
You
You
go marry you no go
My
fit
guy,
pregnant
I
with
know
wife.
first
Why you go
person.
date person wey no go
My
even
guy
give
has
you
come on here.
mind to begin with? sef?
Understand?
Zira, don't play.
My guy has
Why?
You should not
No.
play. Things don't play. Do you know how rare it is for a guy or you know that's
Una no dey
No,
look.
we are not
Good girls
talking
go dey
about-
look you, but una no dey see.
Zira,
the
wait
good
first.
girls, no,
You
they
get
don't
one
look us
point
at all.
there.
Who tell
We
you?
not even the reason one point.
Why you tell me
See.
in your life you've not met
See.
a good girl that you dumped
Eh?
and follow the bad
It's
bitch?
because they just feel they're not up to par.
Yes.
They're not
No,
sashable
no,
enough.
no,
They're
guys,
not.
guys,
Yes,
No, I was going to say
Wait,
something,
una
but
eye
I
too
don't
dey
like the
shake.
fact that
Now you
she's
see
the one
these
that's
hookup
saying
girls,
it.
they are very, very good at playing your game.
Yes.
Yes.
So they make up the way you
No,
want. They
see.
pad up,
Dress,
they
yeah.
you know,
Let me
take
tell you
whatever
one
they
thing.
need to either
Let
get
me
the
tell
extra
you one
adipose
thing.
tissue in the
Because
right
of guys
position.
like me.
They wear
Yes.
PP exposing
Yeah, now.
Why my
outfits.
girlfriend no go
You not
entice
go
me like
even
that.
agree your girlfriend make she wear that kind of cloth. Reason
Why?
be say you not go want another man make you look her.
Me.
You lie.
Na my best be that.
Now me they
I
tell
will
you.
carry my girlfriend
You
come
not
out.
go agree.
Me my
But if
girl.
you see the one where they expose for
I
outside,
want
now that
know.
one you want follow.
One of the sweetest things for me now, I want to know say so many people they drool after my girl, they don't fit get her.
So now then they drew. You will be insecure. All this one I talk you they
I'll
talk.
be insecure.
You will be insecure. Now me they tell you.
Eh?
Now me they tell you, guy.
You
Try am.
know go mind date me for like 2 weeks.
Say if I date you for 2 weeks, you know go
I
even
go
want.
flaunt you tire.
Flaunt waiting.
You go surprise.
Your insecurities will not even allow you.
Ah,
I no
After
go
week
flaunt
one,
my babe.
After week
You
one,
know-
I
go
have
gree.
never flaunted
except
my
say
babe,
you
and
want
I'll never
come
flaunt
person
my
pass my
babe.
power.
call waiting. Of course, obviously now.
You get me pass my power. You
Then
say-
they do am all the time for your front end. They go collect
See,
number, toast your
see.
babe, or join.
He's just talking plenty.
There's one thing
See
about
they
these
mean?
hookup things from the men's side. You get one thing where guys where I even know say you no go hungry. But the reason why most guys no one even they do hookup. Sorry, they want they do hookup with girls.
Guys want to do hook up now.
They know they do where we're back to back, but they
Because
tell
my
you
girl
say
do kokoro
the
eye.
major reason why most guys I don't want say
I
most
want to
guys.
know this reason. I swear.
Nah, inferiority complex.
Yes.
You
See,
want to get a girl that's out of your league.
Yes.
your
With
league.
money.
I know
why
fine
guys
rich.
they do hook up.
I know
That's-
fine
I know
rich.
rich to
That's
keep a
another
girl.
reason.
I know rich to keep a girl.
That a
Yes.
guy
But
would
make
do
I use the
hook
money.
up.
where-
Yes.
Invest in hook up. Is that what you guys are saying?
Invest in
That's
hookup.
even
Fuck
another
a girl
reason.
now for
I think
money.
that's not even the
To
major
carry
reason.
a
You carry
hook
girl
up.
not do my level.
Yes, a lot of girls
See.
cannot toast a girl with
No,
fat ass that
she
is
won't
hot.
even
They
dey
can't because you know the girl will not
understand.
agree for them.
May God
So
no
they rather
carry
go and look for a prostitute that have a fat ass.
Even if that
See,
girl
you don't
get
understand.
100 million naira,
Okay, no.
if she be my
Nah,
spec,
even the-
I go
She
tell her
don't
my
go
mind.
agree for you.
Then she should go agree.
What's go happen with that?
She don't go agree.
That's what I'm
because
talking
you are
about.
She's obviously looking for an upgrade way better than you. Yes.
I upgrade though.
Which kind of
Upgrade
upgrade?
way better.
Which kind of upgrade
Wetin
that
you
you
wan
talk
give her
about?
wey she no
Wetin
fit
you
give
talk
her?
Thank
sef?
you.
See, now my problem with you women, that ain't we not
They
come
no
money
want
matter,
to
but
pay for something.
the one I take go power drunk, they
Be
buzz
the
me.
power drunk points. Be the whole
I
idea.
mean
Now
like that again. Talk with
na
you there, man.
asawo
I mean like that
versus
for
hookup. Be
I mean like that again.
why be say asawo don turn to modern day hookup? Now
Yes.
we dey talk. So.
Yes.
See,
And then why do
See.
you think women like that? No, now the major point I'm trying to
Yeah.
point out is why do you think women do these things? Why do you think they even engage in hookup?
Father issues.
You think?
Father
see,
issues.
Hey, thank God
Financial
she has
issues
discretion.
now.
swear.
No, thank God say she
To
has
sort out their own
discretion.
bills.
No, see,
Some of them, they are
The
the
best
breadwinner
thing
of their
I like-
family.
I like the
I would
fact
say
that she has
trauma-
discretion
The
with
best
trauma
thing
sex.
a guy will
trigger
need
it.
is a girl with a
Sex
father issue.
addiction
See,
could trigger
I know.
it if
See,
you ask
plenty
me.
girls dey wey no dey streets, but one or two things. dey
Go
fuck
push them, go
them.
street.
Yes,
Streets,
pressure.
I say streets.
Pressure from family.
I need no be
No, what kind of
necessarily
family
that
would
pressure
push their
is
child?
They
enough.
don't. They're not pushing. Is
Family
it?
go dey push
Press-
their money. They need
That's some money.
And
But
when-
it's not the child's responsibility.
Oh, maybe your family is like
Anyway,
that.
I think that also
Say-
brings
speak-
us to like
Yeah.
regions and how they
Yes.
how hookup plays in different regions.
Yeah.
Because I think it applies to
We should
certain
talk about all these
regions in the
regions too,
country.
because-
Yes.
I know say
Because it is not your responsibility
as
to
a
care
child,
for yourself as a child. It's your parents' responsibility.
But a certain age,
Until
you get an
you-
adult.
Yes,
Okay.
until you attain the legal age
Yeah,
that
of course.
requires you to be financially responsible, to be stable, mentally responsible, to be stable, knowing your left from right, experiencing little things to be able to maintain, a certain lifestyle. But then at the end of the day, it is not your responsibility.
Of course,
until
we
it
all
is
know
your
that,
responsibility.
but
Now,
it's impossible.
why would your family, knowing that, push you?
Just
I
be
would not understand, maybe because I come from a different region,
Eh-heh.
Yeah.
Even if
I
hookup,
feel make instance for you. There are people that their upbringing, they had to fend for
themselves. They
at
don't
a
have mother
young
or father.
age.
Say, have you eaten? Come and eat.
Okay, now-
I have friends that actually chose the right decisions. Like
How you
I've
take
met
consider their
people.
decision,
Yes,
right?
now because they were left with this option of either I stand on the street or I really work
Walk
very
my ass
hard
out. Yeah.
to get
I think
my way out.
hookup or prostitution is an easy, cheap way out.
To make
it's
money.
a lazy way out. I'm sorry,
Yes.
say whatever you want to say.
Easy way to make
It's your
money.
opinion. It is an easy way, knowing fully well you don't have to use any intellectual capacity to
Yes.
gain anything else rather you use your body.
Yes.
And I feel it is also very risky.
Oh,
Very, very.
I love what she's saying.
It is very
very.
risky business too.
Please, to our listeners out there, if you are anyway around my spec, don't listen to Zira.
The
Eh.
hell? Just because of your own selfish interest.
Yeah,
Oh, that's so
because
selfish of you.
that's what men
Would
do
you
a
like
lot.
your? I'm sorry, oh, it go be like say I dey chook you, I be I dey
I want
do
make
low
you chook
blow.
me yans.
No be choking of yarn sef. Would you like your sister
She know
to
what
boldly
done
come out and tell you she dey do hookup or she dey do prostitution, knowing fully well that your parents did all they needed to do to ensure that she had a
No.
better life?
Not all of them.
And then
Not-
she happens to
hold
be
on
somebody
now.
else's spec,
One-
and the guy you dey
Yes.
you dey see am,
Thank
dey
you.
eye am
No,
because she get nyash and breast.
Hey,
Hey, what?
Don't-
Because I
don't-
say your
don't
sister or
twist-
your
don't
your
twist the
pikin.
story,
Nah, my friend.
Don't twist the story. The issue is that when I call my spec, I mean my spec that might be in that situation.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So you
I have other- I
selfishly
have
take
spec.
advantage of
My
her,
spec-
regardless of the
Okay,
fact that
Mas,
she is
now
in
one
love
question
with
now.
something.
Okay, wait first.
How is
Okay,
that?
Mas, now
Can
one
we put
question
them on
now.
streets?
You get one question I ask now.
But you just mentioned
I
that
am
the
only
reason why she
patronizing.
Make I ask now one question now, and that the ladies,
Hey, is it a crime to
Wait,
patronize
guy,
these days?
calm down. Let me ask this question now. You dey club, Now,
why
the
you not
girls-
go road pick Shana where they road?
No,
wait
I would rather
first.
pick for club.
My point exactly, but at the same business, you will still have to pay money. They are sleeping with multiple men a day.
I swear.
Why would you not go to the one that is on the road that is owning it with her full chest?
Yes.
That is vulnerable,
No.
rather than the one that will
No.
be in the club tomorrow. She's in church praising God, pretending like she never did what
I
she did on
prefer that
Saturday
one.
or Friday night.
I prefer that one.
I dey treat my.
I prefer that one because
Really?
yes,
I prefer
now.
that one. Oh yeah, Mas,
The double standard,
Mas, now
sir,
one
is
question.
shocking.
Wait first.
Yes, now.
Make us
It's all
this
over.
question now.
Okay, go
Then
ahead.
I don't make you do this.
Go ahead.
Sorry, no vex, I beg.
No. Ladies now they throw this one to
Mm-hmm.
men are raising this matter. now.
Hey, lady.
I follow.
You go club, either singular or in groups or pairs and all. Now go chill, ba. There's now one day now. You can't get one guy, we can't get one of now for inside the club on a day. And now, nobody say he do and direct because you no go know. Club everywhere they cover that no. But the only way you know that is that okay, waiter come, they bring drink is from that table. Before they bring another drink is from that table. Before you know the person come start they spray now money for there. You now will be the head of the table or the person where they throw that light on. That I did see that body language say, Mona me I want to. Then before you know he can't start talk to you. Nothing more. Then before you know, only God know how una take follow on herself go house.
No, you can't see how una take follow.
Happen.
There was something that so
Now
now
why I
she
say that
probably felt
conversation
indebted to
engage.
him, or now she has seen an opportunity to chop extra money.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Do you
that one
understand?
now.
Yes.
So
That's-
that
No.
one now.
That
Now
is
hook
it.
up, I no be hook
It's
up.
not hook up.
No.
It's not hook up.
It is a
You see why the
no.
One
top
night
Agreement.
I
It's
would
agreement
say
or
no.
understanding
No,
or-
I would say
I
it's
don't-
hook up. If at the
How?
end of the night he's eventually going to pay her money.
No,
If
no,
is
that's
going
not
to
what he's talking
blossom
about.
into a long-lasting relationship.
Yeah, that's what he's talking about.
Then
So do you
I
Like,
would
believe
because-
say-
a man want to have a woman by I'll call let me
Can I say something now?
Okay.
Please. Same scenario he just gave. Can you meet someone at random?
Mm-hmm.
And you are not the one that puts in the energy.
Mm-hmm.
The other person puts in the energy.
Mm-hmm.
And you give in to the energy.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys vibe.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys have sex.
Mm-hmm.
And the person comes the next day and asks you for money. As payment for
Who
the sex.
now hook up for
That's hook up now.
So that's okay.
When you have sex
hook up.
in exchange of money.
for money.
No, you don't get me.
It
There
doesn't
was
matter
there was
whether-
no conversation.
No, it doesn't matter.
About
You know
money.
what I'm saying? It
He
doesn't.
ask
Whatsoever
for the money the
before.
next day.
What? Yes.
Yes.
Hey, that's hook up.
As far as you ask
No.
for money after
Yeah, after
Yeah.
sex, it's hook up.
it's hook up.
That's
It's actually
something.
hook up.
That's something you just said.
No, I didn't land. I didn't say.
People that like
I
him
didn't
land.
mention. Yes, I didn't mention anything about either parties asking for money because he wasn't meant to land. But
Okay.
still, now
See,
we are the
I will
one
still
head
say
to
it.
be that.
Clubs,
But all good,
parties
sha.
are
All good,
hubs
all good,
for
all good.
hookups.
All good. So
Eventually, there are always selfish interests
Yeah, peer pressure.
Yes, and then peer pressure.
Peer
too is
pressure.
another
You have to
reason.
buy a bone straight. You have to buy Apple Series 7.
How much?
You have to buy iPhone 14.
How will
All
I know?
your
Do I have
friends
one?
will
You
I
said?
have
ask you
one
to
now.
do it. Why not?
Which
just
why will your
buy
friend
it?
ask you to do that?
I am
Not
a
be
good
still
girl. I
peer
know,
pressure.
very decent at
I
it
know
too.
that now.
You get
And I-
friends
and
where
I
they
make
do
my
hookup,
money
content say they go
legally.
to work.
You
Hookup.
know
I
that.
work for it.
Why will your friend force
I
you
use
to do
my
it? That's
hands
on you.
and
Your
my
friend
weight
cannot
and my
force you.
brains
So if
to
your
make
friend
money.
tell
You
you
got
say
that.
they
You
do
got
hookup,
it.
know?
You got that
you can't
now.
go do am.
If
No
we
be
eventually want to go the other route, we're
Sure.
only doing it for recreational reasons or for pleasure, strictly.
Pleasures.
We're
most
not
importantly.
involving
Financial.
financial sentiments, whatnot. But if gifts are given,
Zira, see everything you just said, so it's so sweet, and I'm sure everybody listening to this thing will be all over your case.
yeah,
But you know
no,
the
thank
You know the
you.
craziest part, yeah, girls like you and my sweetheart here
Uh-huh.
are very rare.
My dear,
they
I would
bust
not say
our
that.
head.
I
Una
don't
no dey
understand
look
what's
them.
going on. No.
You know this now?
I say una
You
na lie.
are
In
rare.
as much as say.
But una go see us still go follow on that person now.
Make I do you case study.
Who's story
Wetin
study?
be
I
your
know if
spec?
you want to
Eh?
know.
Wetin be your spec?
A God-fearing woman.
See this liar, you're a liar.
God
Very
One
woman.
I know like
We bad
You understand?
With bad bitch
with a bad
vibes.
bitch
Who I
vibe.
go like wetin you talk just now.
you get me.
You want shake am, just shake him.
Zira,
No,
you
I'm against that one. Oh,
collect.
you shake
No, a
am.
God-fearing woman.
You're sick.
See,
Hey.
even you say
Like lie.
say you like God-fearing woman.
Yes.
Lie, never. This guy is
But
a
then
liar.
God-fearing women come
Liar.
with decency. God-fearing women do not have time.
Not these days, oh.
I'm sorry, no.
Not these days,
Hold
oh.
on.
That is not a God-fearing
No matter
woman.
how you
That
want
what?
take paint am, a God-fearing woman has a level of decency.
Yes.
No matter how sexy she has, whatever level
Yeah.
of sex appeal she has, there is always the fear of God first
Yes.
before any other
Before she
thing.
even pleases yourself.
Do you understand?
And you must even marry her before you
don't
even
tell
start
me that.
doing.
Let's come
your
to the
kukere
carnal
waka.
knowledge of, the carnal world. Tell me as you take like your woman, make her give you case study.
Me?
Yeah,
Mad
you don't
though.
talk say you like big nyash.
No, I do, my
You
guy.
like bone straights. You like lashes to the heavens. You like highlighter that blinds thy enemy.
Please.
What do you
Do
like?
not describe my spec in your way. I
Nails
love
that claw the demons
Hey,
out of its
I
hole.
love
She's asking.
God-fearing woman with a backside that can move mountains.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Even
Go look
you
for
sef,
Antaya. Go look for Antaya.
you
Never
be
say
buried
anything.
in that nyash. Continue.
They're plenty. They're yakba. So I know they bother myself. But you know the craziest part? Now my spec, oh, I know for a fact.
After I say points, I get points that I won't make.
Zira,
You know
I know
that?
for a fact, say, I am not bound to end up with my spec.
That's
Then
life.
what is the purpose
You know
of
the
you
crazy
dating if
thing?
you will not end up with your
You know
spec?
the response I want to
Enjoy
You
give.
will be miserable because even when you
Enjoy
marry
it.
a woman who is not your
Big
spec,
baby.
you go come out and
Enjoy
say,
my
go
life.
find
Go and
one.
mold that yourself.
Yes, go and mold that.
Go
Oh.
and mold that yourself.
No.
Or you build that
I
yourself.
need you to change that
Go and
perception.
do that.
You
Go
build
and
that
do that
yourself.
yourself.
No, really.
So
You build that yourself by carry clay.
it's not necessarily body wise. You have to be God fearing. I don't serious.
Okay.
You have to be God fearing.
Are you God fearing?
I just wanted to ask him
I
that.
am.
Are
You
you?
are.
I am very.
And you are
There's
you're carrying
certain things
prostitution.
where you don't talk today,
Yeah, but
you
you
don't go
support
talk
you're
am.
supporting prostitution.
Yes.
Why will a God-fearing person be supporting prostitution?
Prostitution in as
Hey,
much as you own it with
nobody
your
should
full
judge
chest.
me.
My own is do not
I beg go and sit down,
Nobody
Joe.
should judge me.
conceal
My
it under
great,
the guise
great,
of.
great
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
It is
My
like
great-
Shut the fuck up. You can't be God-fearing and be supporting
Solomon.
prostitution.
Did worse than I did today.
ask them how. Wait.
And
Are you
all
trying to
they
talk
did
about the
was
Bible right
their
now?
I
faith
swear, oh.
was strong in the Lord.
Please come on here for your jaw. See this one. Which King Solomon?
I'm ready to take
He's a
after
descendant.
my
Easy.
descendants' footsteps.
You're descendant.
See,
So you intend to have how many wives? How
I
many
don't intend to have how
concubines?
many wives.
How many?
I'm saying for now, please don't be judgmental. Don't look
I'm
at me
not
this
judging
way. It's not
you.
you. It's my sister. My dear sister here. She's judging me. I can feel her judgment in my ears.
I'm
She's
just trying
just
to understand
you go need
your
to smile.
point.
See, it's not. I'm not taking that serious. I'm just saying.
Ogbeni,
For
please
now.
shift. Abeg. You're so confused. You're contradicting yourself.
Obviously, yes. Now.
You're supporting prostitution, but
My
you are
brother.
God-fearing. If
Anyway.
you're God-fearing, you will not want to sleep with
Zira.
somebody you're not married to.
Okay,
you
now,
know, say
man.
bitches. That is what, man.
See, There's always a final babe
That your babe.
It's not even your babe. If your babe, we already know it's your decision to be with your babe. So you have to block your eye from seeing anything other than your babe. The point is, there's always a final. Forgive me, let me say it. Bad bitch.
Yes.
That is finer than a badder final.
Badder bitch.
True that.
There is always going to be another one that is plus pro max whatever it is.
Yes, so
always going to be a girl better than yours.
Yes.
Every month another woman they born in the next 18 years they don't release them into
yes, so
it will shock you.
The finest girls are not yet born.
But at the end of the day, what we're trying to say is
it not?
A lot of girls are gone into prostitution either by peer pressure or their family members. I know of someone that her mom was pressuring her to
do that.
to bring money to the house. Not even do that.
That is not a good mother.
To bring money to the house.
I'm sorry, her mother is not a good mother.
Wait, chill. I actually said that.
Will do that.
I said, if your mom, I asked her,
decent mother
what did you tell your mom you were doing? No, chill. Maybe she lied to her mom. I asked her, what did you tell your mom you were doing? That your mom will be asking you for money. What did you tell your mom you were doing?
Probably told her mom she works in the bank.
Maybe she has lied. But no, this girl, she's always going somewhere. Her mom was diabetic then. May I so rest in peace.
Okay, then I can understand the pressure. If you say she was diabetic.
Yeah, she was.
But
she has, wait, chill. She was the, wait, calm down, let me land. She was the last girl. She had elder siblings.
What were the elder siblings doing?
You know, I was asking her that. I was asking this girl,
that kind of pressure?
like, how, why? She was like, this. She don't know. Because actually, I told her, what are you doing? You're wasting your life. I told her straight up, you're wasting your life. I said, today your mom dies, you're not going to follow her to her grave. If you die doing this shit now, your mom will not follow you. She will follow you to your grave.
That decision is not on her mom, guys.
No, that's what she said to us. That's what she,
anyway.
Her mom was her mom was calling her.
Elder siblings.
Yes, her mom was always calling her. Well, like I experienced it.
Your mom calling you or not? Your mom is not calling you to go and do prostitution. And
I asked her, what did you tell your mom you were doing?
I know. To support one way or the other, because obviously you've told your mom you are in a paying city and you have a good paying job. And your mom simply wants you to assist.
But me, my mom doesn't ask me for money. My mom doesn't ask me for money.
You don't even need.
My mom doesn't ask me for money.
Your parents to ask you when you know, if you know you're doing well enough as a decent human being.
When they pay you, yes.
And give.
I feel that.
My mom doesn't ask me for money. My mom will never ask me for money. Never.
Ask you. You know this is the situation going on at home.
By
yourself.
Yes. And secondly, some parents are the cause of their children going into prostitution.
Because I cannot relate.
Some parents are the cause of their children going into prostitution. Some parents. Some parents are the reason.
I agree.
Some parents are bad parents.
I support the industry.
That's what
I beg.
to the point where I say regions.
But now,
yes,
certain regions where they come out with their
I've observed that most of these girls, there's always a motive behind this.
But yeah, so they don't have reason, no. Some of the both children don't have reason, no.
Some people just enjoy it.
They enjoy it. Some don't have. Yes.
They just enjoy the game of having to know that they can earn
money, extra money. There's some of the both kids that do that.
Can I tell you something?
Some kids they are rich, they're comfortable, they still do it.
Can I ask you guys a question?
They still do it.
Can I ask you guys a question? Do you guys know what modern ashawo is? It's not even hookup.
Is what?
OnlyFans.
Now the same thing.
No, because those ones,
the most elite ones, those ones, they don't
actually need
escorts.
You don't get me? They don't need to sleep with you to make that money.
They just have to show their body
parts. They don't need to sleep with you. They don't need to go that extent. All they need to do is to show you things, post some certain type of videos of them being naked.
Yeah, touching themselves.
People that subscribe by paying money.
You will not call that one hookup or guys.
Yes, because you're not sleeping. There's no physical touch.
Pornography.
No.
Yes.
No.
It's not hookup. Because there's no physical touch.
I don't know what you call it.
Only fan.
You call it only fan, bam. Because
there's no physical touch. There's no sex. There's nothing.
So sometimes the girls will carry guys come and fuck them.
But it's not the guy that is paying them. They are doing that for entertainment.
I told you that's pornography.
Guy, that one actually pornography, bro.
It's not.
See, no,
I didn't see it as one.
See, guy, listen to this,
Guys, subscribe to one of my babies.
No. Everything, everything.
If I give you blow for
how do they say, call everything gets a stepping stone. If we start with meeting a babe from OnlyFans, by subscribing to her channel, then you can see the one or twos, and then indirectly you go come feel say you want move further with something, and that moving further, waiting the thing they talk about, now be the hookup we go lead to. Alpha, muku meet, alpha, okay, pay my flights, come this place, see where I do, okay, book hotel room or come to my house. Before you know, okay, that they talk, say, okay, if I come, waiting day for me now. Okay, I go pay you so amount. No, this one no do, pay me this one. For now, negotiate. The thing don't reach when I can't agree. Then the babe come fly and come meet you. Then one or two can happen. That is what
They call hookup/prostitution.
And based on the modern day hookup.
Yes.
The local day hookup now the one way is a waka for street. You see one girl, fine.
No, some
boy,
even get house safe.
No,
you can't fuck them inside the house, then you pay them.
The thing be say you see them, say they stand for road. Fine boy. Come now, let's go and do quickie. How far? How much will you pay me for the night? You know all those kind of things. Now those ones now, as far as you meet them for road, now it be the local way. I beg, I stand to be corrected, but modern day hookup, you don't need to stress yourself at the comfort of your home.
Social
you
media.
They inside this thing.
Yeah.
Person don't they chat you.
Just post that
because
picture.
Of one video is
I
post
swear, a
for
picture.
Snapchat or Instagram.
Yeah.
Now anyway, person don't they chat you say how far I will take a line.
Yeah.
And you might don't they give her a green light, the same green light we give you. You get, so,
I'll also like to point out and say that the internet has kind of made sex very accessible.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
it has turned very decent.
Sex has
girls.
always been very accessible.
No, it has been, but then now it is in your face.
Yes. You don't have to even bother.
So whose fault
You have
is
to
it,
stress.
if I may ask?
No.
It's nobody's fault. It's just the society.
It's just what it is with technology.
Ladies
these
Yeah.
do
days.
not want to accept that.
No,
It's
I
fine.
accept
No,
that.
it is.
It's true.
It is.
It's
It
true.
is
So many
too.
things- so many
So
things have
now
gone wrong in
it
our
is
societies
putting
that-
a lot of pressure on
On-
young,
yeah.
decent women, and making it look like you have not experienced it.
They
You
are not
not
normal.
living.
Yes.
And then they now go further to say, if you're not even making money off this
Yes.
thing, God-given feature that you have, then you're probably dulling.
Yeah.
And then you see that level of pressure where someone comes, you self, you know who. If your mama or your papa no give you that kind of money to buy that kind of phone way they use, you can't go where you won't get that kind of money from. But a man is willing to give you just because he's wanting to take advantage of your body or enjoy that body that he knows on a normal day he can't get.
Okay, so without taking much of our time, I beg we put the show to an end for tonight.
And if you know you're into prostitution, there's always a way out. You can learn something. Some people will like, oh, I don't have what to do. What will sustain me? What will do this? How will I
Handwork.
feed my family?
Handwork.
How will I pay my school fees?
Handwork.
How will I do this?
Handwork.
Yeah, there's handwork. There's a lot of
Handwork
things you
works
can
a lot.
do. You can learn tailoring. You can learn bakery. You can learn anything.
I happen to teach a good handworking, but it's private, so you guys should hit me up if you want to learn any handwork privately.
Oh God, leave that. Go and do that.
At the end of it, what I'm trying to say is
No,
that
no, no,
there's
no,
always
no.
a way out.
No, let's end the show.
There's no excuse for prostitution. That's just what I'm trying to say. There's no excuse.
We are coming to the end of tonight's episode. To our dear viewers, please do like, follow,
And subscribe our
Thank you,
Naija
guys.
Our Naija podcast.
podcast.
Thank you guys, and also follow us on our social media
Yes,
handles,
please.
please.